stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies.
So I asked my dad for a new car. Daddy, I want to change my car.
It's good now.
Okay, so what are you going to do about this?
I'll pray.
That's not enough. I need funds.
Okay. No, we'll solicit for.
From who?
God now.
You are my big God, Daddy. I need a new car.
Okay.
So when are you going to buy it for me? Daddy, I need a new car.
You will get it.
Will you buy for me? Is that what you're saying?
Right away, let's go.
Hi guys. So I just got my package from BM Couture, B.M_couture on Instagram, and I think I have an idea what this is.
ṣé kò sí yá kẹ́mi gbé báàgì tèmi.
Ó lè bàjẹ́. Which type of dog food is that? It's a purse! It's a... Oh my God. Oh no, she.
Yá kí n mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ wá.
Thank you, BM Couture. Guys, BM Couture is in Ikeja. Yeah, check the comment section for that.
We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. To say you move on, I know I don't belong in this fantasy world I put you in the end. I cover up both my ears, cause I know, baby, it's working. It's working.